Hi. After the successful launch of our AI agents for sales and service management and create records, we at HappSales are excited to announce AI Smart Assist. Now, we all know that organizations rely on CRM data for key decisions pertaining to revenue management, all the way from pipeline reviews to forecast projections to timely execution. But what happens is team members often get busy and they miss their updates. They struggle to track what's overdue, and that data gets stagnant. There are missed follow ups, outdated opportunities, and overdue activities, and then everyone ends up reviewing reports based on outdated information. Now, all these issues finally cascade and they lead to revenue leakages and operational inefficiencies. AI Smart Assist changes that. It combines intelligence, automation, and behavioral design to help teams stay proactive and productive. Let's see how this works. So, when we go and open the Amy window here, Amy is your personal assistant and a co-pilot. What Amy does is it is always monitoring your CRM data. It watches over your pipeline and it keeps a tab on all the activities that need attention. Right? For example, when I go and I see the notifications that come, what do I see here? There's a whole lot of overdue activities, which means I haven't completed certain activities that were supposed to be completed. And when I look at those that list here, I get to see which are those activities, what kind of activities are these in terms of was it a demo that I missed, was it a proposal submission, was it a follow-up call or a meeting, uh, and the priority as well. And I get to see which are the ones which I have not acted on, and I can immediately work on this. And the best part, I do not have to go out of this window. Right from this window, if I've completed that activity, I can just go and change the status from a planned activity to a completed activity without the need for going out of this specific AI window here. Now, when I go and look at the overdue opportunities, what do I see here? When I see all the list here, I get to see here that there are these opportunities. I get to see the value, the stage of that, the closure probability or the confidence level, the date. And here is where I get to see that I have not updated the closure date, which is why it is saying as an overdue opportunity. I can quickly make changes here based on the current status. I can also make bulk changes right from this window, and I can change the stages. All this is moved to the negotiation stage. I can change that stage, and then I can quickly analyze what else needs to be done for me to update CRM data. I also have an option to Excel for Excel download right from here. Now there is something more. Amy is not only going to stop here, it's also going to proactively email you a summary every week, every month, every quarter. So let's see how that works, right? Now, at the end of every week, I get to see what has been the team's performance. For each of my team members, I'll get to see what is a new pipeline they've added. When I say pipeline, the number of deals that they've added, and as well as the value of that opportunity that's got added to the pipeline. Similarly, I get to see which are the opportunities won last week, which are the opportunities lost last week, and which are the ones that got discontinued last week. I also get to see what opportunities progressed last week. For example, where is the state? How is the state change, right? What is the old stage? What is the new stage now? What is the change in value now? What is the probability change or the confidence level change? And finally, I get to see whether the closure date has gone through a change along with the list of overdue. I also get to download the entire report as an Excel. So once I download that report, I can see here the last week's performance, updated overdue activities, overdue opportunities, all of this data. Similarly, I'm going to get a mail every month with a leaderboard. Now, in the leaderboard, I get to see what is the annual target assigned to each of the team member, what's the booking till date, what's the percentage achievement, what is the pipeline they have, and based on the probability and the confidence level they have set for each of the deals, the system is going to automatically calculate the weighted pipeline, which is the weighted average of all those deals, uh, along with the confidence level. And there is a system forecast, which is automatically calculated, telling telling me where is this team member going to end in this year based on the booking so far and the weighted pipeline. So what you're seeing here is AI Smart Assist makes sure that your CRM data is always up to date and you're never looking at stale information. Nothing slips through the cracks, and you're always in control of your work. And with this, all of your team members, your managers, your leaders can now act proactively without the need for chasing anyone. And it cultivates a strong culture of discipline, accountability, and ownership. It augurs very well with HappSales' mission to help teams improve what we call as the three Ps: predictability, performance, and predictability. Thank you for watching this.